Welcome back to Cloud Pedagogy. Thanks for joining me in this session. Today we are going to learn IAM best practices through the lab course. In the earlier lab, for the root account, we have already enabled the multi-factor authentication. In this exercise, you will log into the root account and delete the root user access keys. Next, we will create an IAM user. Instead of using the root user, you will create an IAM admin user. Then you will log in as the IAM admin user. For the third task, create an IAM role that you will later assign to an EC2 instance hosting the student directory application. Let's start with the task 1. Delete the root user access keys.
After you open the management console, click on top right corner under your username. Select the security credentials option. That will open your security credentials dashboard. If you scroll down the page, you can see access keys section. Click on the actions drop down. Here you can see whether you can deactivate, activate or delete performances for your access keys. Right now we are planning to delete the access keys, so select the delete option. To delete the access key, first you must deactivate the key. Click the deactivate button. To confirm deletion, enter the access key ID in the text input field and click again delete button. You can see the successfully deleted message in the banner on the top of your screen. Congratulations, you have successfully deleted your root user access keys. Next, we will add a new user. On the left side of the dashboard, select users and then click add users. Under username, enter admin and select this checkbox to provide user access to the management console. Enter a password and then click on next button. In the set permissions page, select attach policies directly option. Below in the policies, search for admin and select for administrator access. Click Next. Review your user account details and click on Create User button. Now user created successfully. You can view and download the user's password and email instructions for signing into the AWS console management. Click on Return to Users list so that you can see your username which you have created just now. Now you can see admin user under the list of users. Right now I have logged in using the root user account. Now I am trying to sign out of this account and try to log in with admin user account. Congratulations, you have created a new user account and you have logged in successfully. Now the authentication is successfully done. How about the authorization? The third task is we are trying to create a role for our student directory application to confirm our authorization. To do so, enter IAM in service search bar and select IAM option. Once you are in IAM dashboard, select roles on the left side of the menu. Click on Create Role button so that you can create a role. Select the entity type AWS service. Use case is EC2 instance. Click on Next. In Add Permissions page, search for S3 and select Amazon S3 Full Access checkbox. Again, search for DynamoDB and select Amazon DynamoDB Full Access option. Click on Next. Enter the role name as Student S3 DynamoDB Access role. Below you can see two permissions which we have added for our application, which are nothing but Amazon DynamoDB Full Access and Amazon S3 Full Access. Now click on Create Role button. You can see the banner that the role is successfully created. In the roles search bar, search for your role name. Your role name is listed below. Congratulations, you have created a role for your application as well. So, authentication process is successfully completed. But I want to warn you one thing. Using full access policies are not something recommended you should do in a production environment. We are using these policies as a proof of concept to get your demo up and running quickly. Once your Amazon S3 bucket and Amazon DynamoDB table are created, you can come back and modify this IAM role to have more specific and restrictive permissions. So that's all for today's session. We'll meet you again in the next session with a new topic. Until then, see you.